because of its international background, and the program fits my career goals. So you have a variety of classes to choose from, and the classes are very small, so you can interact with professionals from the luxury world. Meeting professionals every day and having real-life examples in classes such as guest lectures, and they talk about their daily day-to life in the luxury world. Being open to every opportunity and learning more about the luxury world every day. So because most of our professors work outside of the university, we get to experience every day what they do and how this could be a potential career in the future. So because I'm in the brand management, I'm interested in marketing and specifically the jewelry industry or fashion goods and services. Take all the network opportunities and don't be scared to get out of your comfort zone.